Hello everyone, welcome to your construction project. I'm very excited to share this information with you. I hope all of this makes sense. If you have questions, please reach out to us. So the construction project starts in the construction unit. So modules 2 and 3 are part of the overview of the construction project. But keep in mind, this project will start in module 2 and it will wrap up in module 7. So as you keep walking through this, I'm going to explain it today, but you're going to see this almost every week of the course until we're finished. So let's get started in this. So I'm going to click to the next page. So as I click, this overview is going to land right here when we're done. But let's go into the next page. So there are several pieces of this. I'm going to move the video over here so you guys can still see me, but it won't be in the way. So there are roughly 8 assignments that are a part of this entire project that you're going to need to walk through and make sure you understand. So this week in module 2, you're going to go in and you're going to start working on your area of interest and the mind map. After you've gone through the mind map activity, which is you're going to research, you're going to brainstorm an area of interest. So you're going to come up with this huge map of things that you potentially want to look at and learn about in this course. After you've done your map, you'll go into the selection activity. There is a template that you're going to use. You'll open that template. From the template, you will go in and select the idea that you want to work with for the rest of the semester. So now as we say, work on your area of interest, you're going to come back to that same area. You're not going to start a new one. You're going to continue to work with the same idea. So module 2, mind map selection. Module 4, you're going to start an empathy survey. And you're going to empathize. You're going to learn about the audience that is affected by your area of interest. And you're going to try to find out more about the topic that you selected and what you're interested in doing with that topic. Then in modules 5, you're going to go in and you're going to find someone that you want to interview. And then in module 6, you're actually going to interview them, and it's going to be a part of the podcast assignment. So you're going to create a podcast and you're going to interview someone within the podcast. It's a really big assignment. You'll learn more about it there, but you'll pull together like all the insights you've learned from the brainstorm, from the survey, and adding more information from the interview, and really take some time to create a really cool podcast. In module 7, you're actually going to create a 5x5 video. And if you're like, what's a 5x5 video? A 5x5 video is like a TikTok video. So it's designed to really give you have 5 seconds to tell 5 different stories. So it's really 25 seconds, but each clip is 5 seconds long. That same video will be about your idea. It'll actually ideate and show us some of the things that you're thinking about within your area of interest and really tell a story, but in 25 seconds. One of the final assignments is the prototype. You're going to create it's a Google Slides presentation, but it has different navigation in it, so you don't just page all the way through it. There's like jump outs and other places where you can learn about neat things. You're going to put your Ideate 5x5 video into this assignment, as well as the podcast will go into this assignment. And they'll be all delivered together and show like a complete unit. And then in the final module, you're actually going to go in and send out your prototype to your friends and family to get their reactions. And then you will go through and test it, get some feedback, gather the information. So again, this project will last starting in module 2. It will finish in the final module. So let's dig in a little bit more. These are kind of a little bit of a breakdown in this whole presentation. You're going to see it in the next couple of pages. But the area of interest in module 2, we talked about those 2 already. So you're creating a mind map. You're going to brainstorm your area of interest. Then you're going to summarize and come up with an idea. You're going to design a survey using Google Forms and release it, gather some data. You're going to interview someone. So start thinking about who you want to interview now. You'll create a form. You'll fill out a form in module 5. In module 6, you create your podcast. Module 7, the 5x5 video. Module 7 again, that Google Google Slide, little fun adventure, and then you'll test it as well. So we wanted to go through, there's more on the construction model here and what is construction, what is the construction impulse, how did Dewey kind of perceive it. So go through this module and take a look, make sure you understand all the different areas. This is on design thinking because it is a design thinking project, but again, it's building something and doing something cool. So watch the videos. And then as we keep moving, this is about the construction theory again. So make sure you take a look at it. And this is a pictorial example. You'll see this throughout all the different units and it kind of shows which assignment you're working on. So if you ever get confused, come back. Again, make sure you pick something that you're interested in because you're going to be working on it for quite some time. So please let us know if you have questions. We are here to support you. And again, enjoy this. Pick something that you're excited about, and we look forward to working with you. Talk to you soon.